This is the Cheetos that I'm going to use today. If you cannot hold the spice, you can use another type. We already got Cheetos, it's been crushed. Alright, here we go. The rice. Okay. Cucumber. Cream cheese. Avocado. Shrimp tempura. And I'm gonna put just a little bit of spicy crab stick. I'm gonna go ahead and load the sushi. Try to not put too much stuff inside. When you put too much stuff inside, you're gonna have time when you load the sushi. Alright. Many times that when you guys put so many stuff inside, the roll it's not gonna hold together, okay? That's why I constantly say that try to not put too many stuff inside, okay? Here. So next, I go into roll with the crumbs, just like this, okay? This is only sushi knife that I have for now. I'm gonna cut into 8 pieces. If you prefer, you can cut whatever pieces you like. Okay. I got this knife from Amazon. It's like 28 bucks. I do really like it. Okay. Alright. After I cut that, I'm gonna make sure the sushi is still in the shape. Alright. Grab my place. Alright. Ooh, it's gonna be good. Try to make like volcano shape. Okay. And next I'm gonna sprinkle with fish egg. Okay. Alright. I forgot spicy mayonnaise. I'm gonna put spicy mayonnaise just right now. Okay. Oh. More fish egg. Right, and I'm gonna sprinkle around with Cheetos crumbs. Oh man, I can't wait to try it. Okay. Man, it look good.